Hey there, hope you're doing well. This short video is on how we can create a login sign up with Google in bubble.io. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we will need for this whole to work is a plugin, that is this Google. So if you search for in plugins for Google, this is the one that you will find, and it says let users log in with Google account and install it here. And the second thing you will be needing for this is this workflow. So with sign up or login, you will add a workflow of sign up with a social, sign up login with social network. So this is the workflow you will be needed. And here you will select the Google. And after this part is done, you will need to enter its API. So this is the API part of it, and you will be required to add this information here. So for this, what you will need to do is set up your Google Cloud Console. So create a new project over here in the Google Cloud Console and name the project for anything. And after naming the project, it will ask you for some information, so you can put this information. Let me select this one. Okay, so here you can see it's on the get started part. So click on the get started, and it will ask you for the name, and email would be the same as yours. Make it audio for external, and contact information, make it your information. Then click on the finish and create. Okay, so after this is created, what you will need is to create a OAuth client for this. Select the web application, name it anything, and add the redirect URL. Okay, so this part, the add the URL, that is necessary part, and you will need to add it here. Okay, this one. So this is the redirect URL, and you will need to add it. So for this, you will need to come here in the bubble part, and you can see here it says this is the redirect URL. So you will have to use this redirect URL over here. This is the current app projects bubble.io/API/1.1/auth redirect. And for this, okay, so I manually added this redirect URL here, and I will click on the create button, and this will give me the client secret and the client ID. So I will copy the client ID and paste it in my app. And I will also copy the client secret and paste it in my app. And after both of these are done, likely every part of it is done. So let's just wait a sec. Okay, so after like waiting for a while, the whole process from the Google side has been done. So let's have a look how it's working now. Let's preview this page. Okay, let's click on the sign up with Google, sorry. So after waiting a while, I went through this API section and saw this check was not there. So I just placed this check here, and now it's allowed me to use this redirect URL. And if I take a look at it again and sign up with Google, click on my account and click on continue. Now the sign up part has been completed. I will take a look at my database here in the users, and in the users I will see this email has been added right now. So you can see it's like created right here right now. And so if I like add the other page login, or let me just add something here to show me my current email. So let's set current users email, and let's reload this page. Okay, so here you can see this is the email currently logged in. So this is how this whole sign up or login with Google, both of them works. This button will be used for the both purposes. Like this will be the same for login with Google, and this will be the same for sign up with Google. So in both the flows, if I go to the sign up flow and check here, it is the same sign up login with Google and Google account selected. And if I go back here again and click this part and click here, it's the same here, login with Google. And this is it for the whole how we can set up this login and sign up with Google in bubble.io. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. Take care.